Hi guys, I'm gonna demonstrate how I spatchcock a chicken. I got like maybe a 3-pound chicken, so I have it sitting breast side down, and you're gonna need good kitchen poultry shears like these. And these come apart actually, so you can put them in the dishwasher. So what you want to do, you feel that backbone, you come in here beside the tail. If there's any fat like this, you can trim it off. You can save this backbone for stock. I'm not going to, but you want to just cut down the side of that backbone. It can be difficult. Here's one side. I'm going to hold it up here. You can also use a boning knife if you have one. Can't get it started. There we go. Just about got it. There we go. I'm not saving it because I'm not going to make stock. Trim off this fat. Once you get it like that, I'm going to dry the inside. Just some paper towel. Okay, now you want to flip it over, and we want to break the backbone. There we go. I tucked the wings. She's slippery. There you go. All ready for the roasting pan. So I'll get my roasting pan ready, and I'll show you how I season it up and get it started in the pan. I just got my pan out of the oven. It's heated up to 350 degrees. I'm going to put a little butter in it. Now, spatchcock chicken, I've seasoned it really well on both sides, and I like to use McCormick's rotisserie chicken seasoning. This stuff is great. So now you want to get it in the pan, but you don't want to touch the sides, so just be careful. Pick it up, lay them in there. And I'm gonna put some butter all over it. be liberal with the butter. Okay, so now I'm gonna get her in the oven. 350. It's probably gonna take maybe 40 minutes. You want the breast to be about 160 and the dark meat about 170. So get it in the oven and we'll check it in a while. There we have it, guys, right out of the oven. Fully cooked, sizzling like crazy. So I'll let it rest and then I'll carve it up. So that's a spatchcock chicken in a cast iron skillet. Got crispy skin. It's gonna be good. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.